Namaste.
Here we are for Gaming with a New
Channel.
Today we're gonna do my brother's favorite one, and I'm gonna not really favorite because this is horror game.
Yeah, so just not Puppet,
Today we're gonna play this game called Puppet, and I almost did because Puppet's not where I spawned. Oh no, Puppet's following me. Oh gosh, and yeah.
Puppet's trying to follow me.
Okay,
I found Puppet key.
There's Pinky. It's useless right now. Go away! You get killed. Okay, you're gonna see me play, okay?
Okay.
I think I need this screen. I guess. Oh my gosh, Puppet's
following you.
And the Puppet's following me.
I know, Papa. There was one hole. So there was one hole. Puppet cannot. Come on.
Who get the white key? We need the white key to escape it. Who get the white key?
Somebody. There is a white hole.
Okay, I gotta hide here, okay? Do not tell Puppet. No, I'm gonna be secret.
Okay, I'm seeing Puppet. And Puppet just don't know where you.
Oh no, he's going down right now. Oh no, he is traveling this time. Is he going down? Oh, he's going up. I guess he did. Can we escape right now?
Can't. Somebody should be God.
Okay.
This guy's got like
White key?
no the fixing things.
Hammer? Oh, bench. I
No.
got a sign key.
No, that he was a key. The girl,
Is it?
this girl have what key?
There's not a white key, there's a bench. Okay, I think I need to use this sign key, so I think.
Okay, blue key.
Puppy's coming for me.
Okay, no.
Oh no, Puppy's right there. Oh gosh. This is kind of crazy.
There's
Who got a white key? Like, come on, who got a white key?
should be somebody. You got time. I'm not saying anymore. At least I still
Okay,
got
someone get killed.
five. I got 15 money.
Oh no, Puppy's coming for me. Oh gosh.
How can you don't know? He's
Oh,
already.
okay, I gotta see.
No. Oh, I said we need a key card. Key card already done. Now I said we need the white key.
You white key?
I don't know.
All the gears already done?
Yeah,
I guess so.
except for
but
blue.
you need like another kind of. Wait a second. Oh, I know what. We need an orange key. Okay, where's the orange key gonna be? Oh, where's the orange key gonna be? Buddy, where's the orange key? Who got the orange key? Oh, there's a red key. Okay.
Wait, there was a gun. Can you use gun?
Gun uses right now. We don't need gun. We just need. Who got the orange key? Wait, someone get killed. Someone upstairs. Oh, the Puppet's upstairs, right?
Yeah. Then I'm seeing you. You got gun. Okay, that's good thing you can shoot the puppet.
I know.
No, where's puppet? Upstairs, shoot it. You got timer.
Because I have the time.
Yeah, then you can shoot again. Orange key.
Okay.
Think of where
No, we're gonna die.
What?
Because we only got 1 second and we die.
Okay.
Because we only got
0 second now.
Yeah, game over. Oh, that is supposed to be the orange key. I go there before it. Oh, no, it's fine. Okay. So, guys, we are dying now, and
Let's see who's happy.
we're gonna shop. Oh, nobody escaped. Oh, wow. Okay, maybe we can buy. You wanna buy this? Oh, you did buy this. Oh, you have no money for that. Fine. Okay, let's play.
Okay, let's see who's the
It's so
puppet.
creepy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna choose house because house is easy than another map because house we have probably
Very
remember all
easy.
the place, right?
Yeah, it's so easy.
But we died.
Yeah.
It's kind of weird, right?
Because we started, then
Yeah.
we died.
Then the piggy knows, like not piggy, like like our puppet know where we are. So
Yeah, like his brain,
What can I
his
say?
brain
What can
already
I do?
know. His brain already know.
okay, I guess so.
Let's choose this one.
No, house.
Okay, where is the house?
The first chapter one. Yeah. Yes, house have a children.
Yeah.
The house is pretty easy.
Okay.
Sorry guys, if you wanna see.
Okay,
the-
let's choose
sorry,
what?
Because, like,
Let's choose what?
player, I guess. Yeah, player. Because both know where are you, right?
No.
Because because like.
Let's see who is the play.
Play was
Oh.
let's see who is the puppet. You are the puppet.
Yeah.
Oh no.
And me is this.
No. You are the puppet.
Yeah. I'm the
So guys, when she is the puppet, I cannot scare her. Like he can kill me first.
Then
He
I'm
can
this.
kill me first.
And now I'm the.
I just want to escape from puppet. What the hell? Okay. Oh no.
I'm a different puppet.
Oh my.
And I wanna go in house.
Okay.
Okay, I got a trap. So I can trap.
You start after it.
Okay.
Just let me. Just need. Okay. This
Okay, on this so I can put the trap at the door, the first door.
You're gonna do whatever you like.
Yeah.
You spawn out.
So
Oh no, you saw me, right?
yeah. Put here, a lot here. One here.
Oh my gosh, you saw me. Oh, you killed someone?
Yes, get some.
You can't skin my screen, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Papa is coming. Where are you?
Come on, we can be friends. Like, come on, we can be friends.
I'm not being your friend. I'm a puppet, evil puppet.
Oh, you saw me. Oh gosh.
And puppets.
Are you chasing me?
Yeah.
Wait, no, don't chase me.
And you die.
But first, we have a place to run.
No way.
That's a dead end. Yeah, it is a dead end.
You're going down. Bye-bye. You're gonna die.
Oh my.
No way.
Oh wow. Wait, you saw me? Oh, you didn't saw me. Oh wow.
Sorry, people. You come.
Actually, I just tricked you.
No, somebody shoot me.
ha. Actually, I at the upstairs one.
No, then I just wanna go.
Okay, go to the downstairs. Yeah, I have a chance. Yeah.
Except the train is still there.
Who cares about trap right now? I care about escaping. Okay, we're gonna
Okay.
escape.
No, somebody kept shooting me.
Guess we got a lot of stuff.
I need to kill some people. I think I just kill one.
I hope that is the case, cause oh, hello, buddy. No, let's go. Let's go.
Chapter.
Ha ha ha.
And I will see you again.
Oh wow, wow.
No! I'll trap this thing.
Yeah,
Nobody.
you don't worry now, cause
The door already open.
thank you, and I can escape. Yeah.
But I'm here. And then I'm taking Peter. And so you don't know the door already open now. Then I put a lot. Then I put trap. Then I blocking the trap.
Wait, I don't know. I'm behind you.
I know, but I'm blocking a trap.
Can't catch me.
Actually, I blocked the trap. And
Wait, here's a dead end. Wait, you can't catch me right here because here's a dead end.
but you can't.
You can catch the people, right? No! I almost escaped! No, wait, catch me! No!
Okay, I kill someone.
No, I almost escaped because you there! I hate you! Wait, the guys already escaped. Why?
No, but it's still.
I have loser. Okay, I saw you right there. And you're gonna crazy, so you see how's your mouth doing?
I'm taking the door, so nobody
Oh,
will
I'm gonna
catch
see
your
the
people.
people. Wait, the guy's at here. Yeah, it's just like there. You can put the trap right there. Do you have a trap?
I put trap at here.
No, that's not a way to play the trapping. He's right here. You see? See in my screen. He's right here. In a room, and there has a small place for us to go. And you're right there.
Then I'm putting all the traps.
He's at the couch.
No, I'm putting all the traps at
He's
you.
at the couch. He can jump in. And he's at the couch.
I know, but I want to put a lot of traps.
Oh.
Nobody will die. And want some.
Kill him. He's at the couch.
Where
He's
I need to
hiding.
put, I know. I need to put a lot of things.
He's right there. You probably can see him, right?
Then, but I'm putting a lot of traps.
Oh. You can kill him right now. No, I almost escaped. Why you want to kill me? Never mind. Next time, I'm going to be puppet and I'm going to kill you first. Are you ready?
Okay.
Maybe next time it's me. Maybe not, but maybe. No,
But
maybe.
then I kill you. Yeah.
I almost escaped.
yeah.
No, that was so close.
At least you didn't. You go die. Yeah.
No, only 4% escape, and I'm the one who died in 3%. Wow. Great job, Wenxing. Guys, I just almost escaped and he just win.
I'm a good lad.
Almost because he's at the door and I can't get in. How am I supposed to get in?
I just beat you.
I mean, like, this is bad.
Let's see who's.
Never mind. Next time he's gonna be big, I'm gonna be winning. No, I am gonna be winning. I'm the one supposed to be winning, buddy.
Okay, choose house.
Okay, I'm going to choose some prison. I want to find. Okay, choose house. No, whatever. Choose house. Okay, so guys, we are choosing a map called house. Yes, we are keeping house because house is easy, right? And it's
Let's choose player.
like
Player.
piggy
Let's
first
play
chapter
player.
in like in big players. And nobody wait. Who's one to play player and both? Okay, who is gonna be the puppet? It's gonna be the puppet. Oh, it's not two of us, but we two gonna escape, right?
Yeah.
So
So
I'm not gonna give you escape. Cause you kill me.
sorry.
So this is a party where's it everyone? I guess I'm the first one. Oh wow, you're the first one gonna die, okay? Obviously.
Yeah.
Okay, so okay.
Okay, let's do
I
some
know
stuff.
What to do right now? Why can't I open the door? Wait,
I got orange key.
Orange key is. Do you have an orange key?
Yeah.
Okay, where are you right now?
Upstairs.
What?
You wanna go outside?
I know what's the orange key for. I think it's right. Oh, killer has been stunned for 20 seconds. Okay, this is good. There's also you find every. Do you find orange? Okay, I know what's the orange key. You go to the topmost one. You go to the topmost one.
Okay. And nobody to open this.
I'm gonna give you the board. Go to the top person. Go to the top person. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, go to the
Oh.
top person.
No. Go away. Go there. Crouch. He's coming.
Huh?
He's coming. Crouch.
No!
I'm telling you.
I don't know what are you saying.
I said go there. You can crouch there. Oh my god, he almost caught me. Wait, I get catch? What? What? We get catch? So guys, now we almost died earlier, so we stop it. But now we are continuing. But you know how many people win? Nobody escaped. You know, just
Yeah, 4 people died.
yeah, there's a lot of people die.
Yeah.
So
It's
now
crazy.
we go to the next one. Next, we're gonna do prison. Are you ready for prison?
Okay. Prison.
Because we don't know prison how it looks like. So
Yeah, prison is so big and
very
ginormous.
I'm a
Like, what's up?
puppet. I will be happy.
What's up?
Huh?
Like, prison is so ginormous.
I know, but I don't know how it looks like. Maybe I will fall in trap because I saw people play some puppet, but I not really know how it looks
Yeah.
like.
See who's the
So.
puppet.
You know what? We're not gonna choose house anymore. We're gonna choose prison.
Yeah.
Prison was chosen. What are you doing? No, that's bad. Okay. Yeah, somebody choose the player. Somebody choose the
No.
player.
Nobody chose the hot one. And
Oh, not us, but no, it's fine.
yeah, then we can escape.
Let me out of here. Wait, is that a slow escape sound?
Yeah.
Maybe that's a way to escape the prison. You're wrong. Oh, yeah, the first chapter, if you escape, they cut the wrong person. I mean, the police cut wrong person. Okay, find some key.
Okay, here should be our place.
Okay, you don't take card, okay?
Okay, we need a key card. And no.
I found a wrench and okay, before that,
Let me go upstairs and check.
oh, that is not for that.
Okay, this open. Oh, go run. We're not choosing this. And check here, go upstairs. Yup, go another way. 1, 2!
Huh?
Here go lion. Here.
I know what that's for. Okay, don't go in. Maybe you will die right there. Okay.
No.
Did you get anything?
No. And then,
I have a wrench right here. You can go take a wrench. Oh, it's a puppet. Hello puppet. Hey buddy. Okay, we need hammer.
coming down.
I saw a wrench. What's a wrench for?
So I'm coming down.
Daddy.
I'm downstairs now. So we need hammer. And so we need hammer and 2 white color key.
I know, but I don't.
Let's see who will have the key and the hammer to let us out of here.
Wait, is that side?
I saw a puppet. I saw a puppet.
Oh my god, I haven't gone to the second floor.
Oh
So.
no, puppet!
Why did you go there?
I don't know. Like puppet is in. I saw puppet, but
Okay, now you watch me, okay?
yeah.
Maybe you would know the clue. No. Okay, clear has time for 20 seconds. He's doing nothing.
What's the hammer? Need a hammer. And so the key card already open.
Oh, huh?
The key card already have already. So we need hammer and key, white key and hammer.
I know.
Wait,
Okay.
you need to find a white key.
I know, but I don't know what's a bench for.
Bench.
Okay, is it the place we are going?
No. There's a blue key.
Oh, there's a third floor.
And this one already open. To the next place.
Okay. Oh, we need pink key, orange key. Okay, where's the pink key? Okay, I remember the pink key downstairs. So. Oh, someone get killed. This is a bad sign because I I don't know how to play.
I'm saying people is the like puppet.
Oh, there's puppet. Puppet face. Oh, nice.
I saw puppet, then I'm watching him, and then I'm not giving him a clue. And the people don't want to go, and he's go. Yeah, he's go. Yeah. Yeah, he go, yeah. Hey, yeah. Okay, yup.
Okay, I'm watching.
No, I'm watching puppet.
Okay.
Oh,
Where's puppet right now?
oh, it's killing people. And downstairs.
Downstairs. Oh, I'm going to ask it right now. He saw me?
No.
My foot not sorry.
Don't get us. So you must quickly go out.
I know, but obviously we need key.
So watching you now, Winter. Now we need a pink key. Will you open?
Oh no, someone get killed.
Yeah.
Oh, this is not a dead end.
Okay. So he's at the bridge. Winter, the puppy is at the pinky door.
Oh really?
Yeah. And then he's going away.
Oh, it's there right now.
So run away. And use a different way to walk.
Oh, I know there's a way.
Then you faster.
No, I'm gonna hide here.
The time is running
Oh,
out.
where's right now? Where's he?
He no.
He's very down way, right?
No. Yes. He's ready down.
So I have a chance to go to ping lock, right?
Yeah. At least he didn't spot you.
Okay, how many person left?
Still go 1, 2. Hey, I saw you. Just one people in me.
Is it me? Oh, this for the bench. Oh. I think I saw me. Oh no.
I'm seeing another people. And now we're
Okay,
going.
where's the bench? Oh no, I almost forgot. Where's the bench?
Ready high, low. Ready upstairs one. Now people is going to number 3. I think he's going. Yes, he's going to mama 3.
Oh, someone get killed. I probably kill this.
Oh, still go one more people and one more people
Okay.
and one more
Thanks
people
a lot. Okay, thanks a
and
lot.
one more people and you. I'm watching you. One, two, hammer downstairs and downstairs. Yeah. Okay, last one we need a key.
Okay, but I need to know where's the bench.
Looks like somebody.
Oh, he got a bench. Okay.
But he don't want to put it. Hustle, guy, hustle, go on open the doorway and you can escape.
But I know, but
He got runs for key.
no. Oh no. You got 3 minutes only.
Oh, the run is for building.
Upstairs, right?
Then he opened already, so he got key cut.
Oh yeah. Okay, I gotta go downstairs. Okay, I know what to do right now. Okay.
Okay, he's going what, low? He's going up one stage. Okay. There.
Okay, where's the ghost stacking?
He's at finish already. He need
I disconnected! No!
he need a wrench again. A wrench, yeah. A
Oh gosh.
wrench.
Oh gosh.
Hustle, go.
Oh no.
Okay,
I
finding a
disconnected.
van. No, a van for doing stuff.
Okay, where is she right now?
Still, we don't know where is it. That is crazy.
I think she's gonna win. Cause like he's nowhere is the place.
Yeah. Oh, he's at one already.
Oh right.
Yeah.
But she need a white key. But how are you supposed to do? Cause the puppy's right there.
I know. Then you open it. No, we need what? Somebody go what?
I just connect the side. Go start ready. Okay. Puppet, you can get it right there. You can go do dinner.
Yeah, but you didn't eat Danny. Dinner. Yeah, dinner. And they don't have traps. Yeah, they don't have traps. So we need a white key for that, but Papa is blocking. Maybe you can jump and walk and run. So
No, I died.
I know.
Because I disconnected.
Because this came up. What?
Oh, what's this girl doing? Why is she taking gun? Okay.
To shoot the thing. Go.
Okay, this is a girl.
Okay.
Pink is useless right now. No.
Oh, you got blue
they
key.
are gonna escape. Oh my god.
Yeah, you got blue key.
I should get a blue key. And how am I supposed to go to blue key place?
Is that?
Oh, wow. White key! She can escape right now.
Yeah.
Oh, she got a few seconds. Wait. She got a few seconds right now, right?
No, but.
Oh no, they're gonna die. We can't find a white key.
Some people got a gun so you can shoot the puppet.
Yeah, he did shoot right.
Hmm.
Oh, he really shoot him right.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna see the girl. Is she taking? No, they didn't take a white key. How are they supposed to escape? Oh, they're gonna die.
They don't know where's the white
They
key.
only got 5 seconds.
Like Windsor, here's the this is camera and here's a line. Then the line will finish. Means the blue key. The white key is should be the next door with blue key.
But we died. So guys, we're gonna end this video right here. I hope you guys like it. Subscribe, share, and hit the bell. I will never miss the next video. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.